Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have an unboxing of a third-party band that has been modeled after the Milanese loop by Apple. This has been done by a company called 360. This should fit a 42, 44 and a 45 or the Apple Watch Ultra at 49 millimeters. Now, they're not sponsoring this video. They haven't asked me to review this product. I have gone out, as you guys are aware, that I fund everything myself. So I've gone out and purchased this out of my own pocket to make a video in regards to it. So this is just the unboxing to give you guys an experience of what to expect. And if you appreciate how I fund everything myself, and I'm just a regular guy like you guys and I fund everything myself, so if you appreciate that, kindly do subscribe, and a super thanks would always be appreciated. Any donation would help out. Let's look at this. So this is the box. Now I haven't opened it or anything, so there weren't any seals. All right, so it is magnetic. Okay, so that's what you get inside. It's a bit hard to open all the way. That's the first thing I've noticed. Okay, looking at the loop itself, so modeled after the Milanese loop, pretty much looks like a Milanese loop, and they aren't trying to hide it by being sneaky and saying it's not a third party. So they are actually showing that over here. Let's see if there's a decent way of opening this without yanking it out. Okay, that was such an effort. Okay, and that's basically it. It does look a bit thin and frail, to be honest. What do you guys think? Very thin and very frail. But I'll do a proper review of this and let me know what you guys would like to see this paired up against. I've got a Milanese loop in silver and gold from Apple myself, so if you guys want to see that, do comment below and let me know what do you guys think of this. All right, that's basically it. Thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Take good care. Bye bye.